I think networking, especially between industry and SMEs, startups, is very important to have the transfer from one sector into the other one, because everyone is talking about large AI models, ChatGPT right now, but it's important that every single actor realize that it's good and useful to really make use of these kind of new AI models in the specific company, and therefore it's really important to come together and to profit from each other's expertise.
A lot of innovative startups, and I came across some of the applications of AI I could have never imagined. Yeah, it was a really nice journey to meet all the people here, and yeah, looking forward to the next event.
So this year's AI with Purpose Summit really elevated the conversation, because we had not only many more participants, but we had the right mix of participants. So you had great technologists from the Siemens side, you had partners, you had customers, you had startups. So you had pretty much everyone that we need in order to drive AI with purpose forward. And we know that AI will only prosper if we bring all the different disciplines, all the different ecosystem participants together. And so therefore, I think this was an excellent and really professionally and well-run event in 2023.
What is happening is that we're seeing this huge step in the field of foundational models, and in Europe we still don't really have a good and powerful solution for foundational models, so it needs combined industry efforts to collect this data, and that's what I really like about Europe, is that we're thinking about how we can produce AI with value for our society and for our industry.